is how you automate anything in Asana from N8N. So what you need to do is to set up the credentials for Asana, you basically need to generate a personal access token. So how do you do that is basically just search for a node called as Asana, and then you have different actions that you could do. You can create a project, you can create subtask, and create task. Let's say I'm going to create a new task. In my case, I already happen to have Asana credential, but if you don't have, you basically click on this create new credential, and then you can connect using a access token. So we'll be basically getting this access token. So you click on open docs. When you go to open docs, you got few documentation over here wherein you can basically generate a personal access token from their developer console. So you click on developer console, and then you'll basically get redirected to their app section. So what you need to do is under the personal access token, you basically need to create a new token, give it a name. So N8N Asana setup, agree to the terms and policies, and then just create this token. Make sure to safeguard this token properly because you don't absolutely want anybody to see this. So copy this, and then you basically have to just paste it to the N8N. When you click on save, this node would automatically get created. That means you are now connected to Asana. And then basically you can do all sort of operation, which is in my case, I'll basically be creating a task. This is the create operation. And then the workspace that I have is my workspace. The name of the task is, let's say I'm going to do testing N8N. And then you can also add additional fields. You can also add status if it is completed. And then you can also add a project name to it. Let's say I want this task to be created for this project. This project is going to be N8N project. Okay, this is the tag. Now you can also do multiple projects over here, but for now I'll just do single one. So once this is done, you basically execute the steps. Once the workflow is executed, you'll see a task in the Asana over here. So this is the project, this is what got created, and this is in the completed state. So hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, please follow the content and subscribe to my channel. And I also happen to run a community, which is gobuildwithai.com, wherein you can learn more on how to build automations with N8N and how you can build agents with N8N. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.